Well, now for the second time in months, someone left a newborn in a safe haven box in northwest Indiana. Firefighters found this healthy infant after the alarm went off at the volunteer fire department there. Indiana safe haven law allows a person to give up a baby anonymously to an ER, police, or fire station without fear of arrest or prosecution. And a law passed just this year now lets fire stations use these baby boxes if they're staffed 24 hours a day.
You know, and what's amazing is that what we're doing here in the state of Indiana is pioneering a new way of thinking, and people's minds are being renewed to new options and ways that we're adding to the safe haven law to make it work better, which we really need. We need enhancement because we need a place for moms to anonymously surrender.
Right now, there are only 2 baby boxes in the entire state of Indiana. But Linda Zanacco is spearheading an effort to install the very first one in Marion County, and she hopes that will come within the next 6 months.